To me, because it reminds me of how I started learning about lei in the first place, it does take me back to my childhood days, learning hula, learning how to make the lei, and it just reminds me of home. Today we're gonna make a lei in what's called the poe poe style, which means to gather around in a circle. What we're typically used to is a lei made in the style called ku'i, which means to sew. So we're more familiar with this one, where we sew the flowers together by sticking the needle through the top and coming out through the bottom of the stem. So today we're gonna do poe poe. We're gonna use these plumeria to gather in a circle to make a fuller, slightly fuller lei. To start your lei, you're gonna need flowers, and today I'm gonna use yellow plumeria. Rinse your flowers first. You're gonna need a pair of scissors and crochet thread. I'm using the color white, but you can use any other natural color depending on the color of your flowers. And you're gonna need a lei needle, 12 inches. I got this from Long's or Walmart for a couple of bucks. But instead of using this needle today, I'm gonna use a long doll needle. The reason is because if you can see the two different sides of the eyes, the eye, depending on the type of flower that you use, can break the flower or the stem in the flower, and you're gonna lose flowers while making your lei. I'm just gonna start measuring. I just do like this and just see. Your crochet thread is gonna get shorter as you start to put flowers on it, so you wanna make sure you have enough room. Maybe 5 inches on each side. And then we're gonna tie a knot at the end after you get your thread ends even, as close as you can get it. So to start the poe poe style, instead of going through the stem to do the ku'i style, we're gonna go through the side of the stem. And we're gonna have it facing in 4 different directions. And then we're gonna push them all down. It's getting squished, but that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be, and that's how we're gonna get that full look. So it looks like that. We're gathering it in a circle. And then we continue the process. I've strung together a reasonable length that I think will fit nicely around my neck, so I'm gonna stop there and take a little measurement. Yeah, I think this is good. So I'm gonna tie it off over here at the end. So it looks like this is what your lei is gonna look like. Much different from, this is ku'i style, this is poe poe style. The lei is like all over the place. Birthdays, graduations. It's just beautiful. Even if you didn't make it yourself, the lei maker who put all the effort into it, no matter who makes it, it just, you know, it took someone's time and attention to make it look the way it does. And you respect that, and that's why you wear it proudly.